basically, we've got 11 of 13 back that played, and we're pretty much too deep at every position. And I really think when you learn to handle competition within a team well, that can really make you better. And right now, they go at each other really hard and then walk off the floor together, really enjoying each other. And that's just really enjoyable for me to watch. Our goals are to develop some habits that show on the basketball floor of taking care of the ball, taking good shots, getting rebounds. We're a really good defensive team. We've proven that the last couple years, to continue to improve upon that. And of course, always our major habit or our major responsibility is to glorify God and to do the best we can in representing Him on the floor.
This is my senior season, so I think overall, I want to go out with a bang. I came in as a freshman, and I had pretty high expectations for myself. And the college sports are just they're a roller coaster. You go up and down, and so I think this year I really just want to keep my mind right. It's so easy. The season is so long. It's so easy to lose focus and just get, run down with the everyday practice. Practice everything. Just everything's the same. But I think if we can keep your mindset on the goals that we want. We want to win the GMAC. We want to get to the NCAA tournament. Those are things that we really want. And that's going to take hard work, and that's going to take dedication. That's taking coming in to practice every day with intensity, and not letting our everyday situations get into our heads. And we have to come together as a team and really support the system.